Pig, the Pumpkin Contest. Today is Halloween at Peppa's school. We are going to have a pumpkin contest, says Madame Gazelle. Do you all have your pumpkins? Susie has her pumpkin. Pedro has his pumpkin. Emily, Freddie, and Danny have their pumpkins too. Peppa does not have her pumpkin.
It is still growing at my grandpa's house,
she says. Just remember to bring it for the contest tonight, says Madame Gazelle. All the children go home. They will come back tonight for the contest. Granny and Grandpa Pig drive Peppa to her pumpkin.
Is my pumpkin big?
Peppa asks. Oh, yes, says Grandpa Pig. Peppa's pumpkin is very big. Wow! Cries Peppa.
It is the biggest pumpkin in the whole world.
Granny and Grandpa Pig help Peppa decorate her pumpkin.
Spooky,
says Peppa. Now it is time to go to the contest. Oh no! Peppa's pumpkin is too big to fit in the car.
I will miss the contest,
Peppa says sadly. No, you won't, says Grandpa Pig. We just need some help. He calls Miss Rabbit. Miss Rabbit uses her helicopter to lift the pumpkin. All aboard, she says. Next stop, the pumpkin contest. Back at the school, the pumpkin contest is about to begin. The children can't wait. Is everyone here? Asks Madame Gazelle. Peppa's not here, says Danny Dog. Oh dear, says Madame Gazelle. We will have to start the prizes without her. The prize for the best pumpkin from the market goes to Pedro Pony. Then the children hear a sound outside. What is that in the sky? It is a flying pumpkin. It is Peppa's pumpkin. Wow! Cry the children.
Am I in time for the contest?
Peppa asks. Oh, yes, says Madame Gazelle. The prize for the best flying pumpkin goes to Peppa. Hooray! Shout the children.
Happy Halloween!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.